go get that hair. Go to Bellevie and go get it. Because I said it. I said it.
I came off from a big X and came home to a big bag. I'm a big boss and you big mad. Fuck around and die by my respect. Got blood all on my Christians from all my oppositions. Fuck all my oppositions.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, if you can tell from the title down below, we're doing a hair review. Today, I'm bringing this hair from Bellevie Hair. And, hello, you can tell by the name, it's exotic. Just like the damn hair. So I'm about to show y'all this hair, but if you're new to my channel, what's good? My name is Emmy, and if you've been here since day one, what's good, boy? I see you. My channel is growing, so new subbies, what's goody? Like, I'm dead happy to say welcome to the fam. So before we get into this video, I want y'all to subscribe to my channel right down there. Just hit that button and hit the bell right next to it. You're gonna see a little parentheses right around it, and just click on that so you can get post notified every time I upload a video. So come join the Emmy gang because it's little on this side, and let's get right into this video. So I got two bundles of 12 inches. I got two 12-inch bundles. And it came in these baggies. Hold on. Two bundles. And I got a frontal. So we're gonna start off with the bundles. I usually do. If you check my videos, you see. Whatever. So this is the bundle. It's straight hair, so don't mind the little curve at the bottom. It was a bag. But this is the bundle. Which I see how the hair feels. Oh. Alright. So it moves really, oh my god, it's so soft. Like, yo, look at this weft. Look at this, look how fat that is. Fatty, like the fat punani. This is fat. Like, I'm gonna start, that's when I'm gonna start plugging and manipulating it, because you know, we gotta see if there's any shedding. Yo, like nothing is on my hand. Usually I'll have like little stragglies on my hand. Nothing. Like nothing. Listen, this hair is beautiful. Look at the color. Look at the luster. Bouncy. It's bouncing. I got two bundles in a frontal because that's all I needed. And look at this hair. Like, I just can't stop running my fingers through it. Like, it's so pretty. Let's get into this frontal, y'all. So, look at the frontal. Look at that. It's full. You see through it? I don't see nothing either. Look at how full that frontal is. Like, come on. Come on with it. It's a 3-part. I never had a 3-part frontal, so it's a 3-part. I could do a side part, I could do a middle part. It even fake got a little like part in the middle. Like, I could see it through the back way. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but like it's like a straight line here. You can't, but it has baby hairs as well. I know how I do with the baby hairs, like it's hair. And like from some hair companies, I would get different textures, a different texture from the frontal and the bundle. They'll be different, but this texture it's the same as the bundle. Like, it's not different. You can tell by how it feels. Like, it feels just like the bundle. I'm not getting any snags, no pulling, no shedding. Let's smell the hair, guys. My bad, because you know we gotta do a smell check. Yo, this hair don't have a smell. Like, it smells like a fresh package. Like, it doesn't have that like corn chip. It smells like you opened a fresh package. Like, oh, this don't got no type of stench. Yo, this is lit. Yo, y'all need to go get these bundles. Like, high key. Y'all need to go get these bundles. Like, look at that hair. Look at that. Like, come on. Like, come on. Hair's supposed to do that. I hope y'all know. Hair ain't supposed to be stiff. hair's supposed to be moving. It's supposed to do all that. It's supposed to fall. She has a whole shop, so it's like you can go in the shop, you can get your bundles, you can pick them up. That's if you're in New York City. I'm also going to leave her shop address down below. So if you're in New York City and you don't know where to go get bundles, go to her shop and go get these bundles. You can go pick them up. She's about to have delivery service, so if you're in 5 boroughs, she's about to come drop them off to your door and all that. She's done work with famous celebrities, spies. You can check out her IG. They'll all be there. I can't think of any of all the people from my head, but she's worked with celebrities. They've wore her hair, stuff like that. So it's not no. This is not no AliExpress. Y'all go get into this here. Y'all go cop this because hello, I know y'all see this. So go get this here. Emmy sent you. Tell her that Emmy sent you. And whatever. Right now she's having a couple of sales and stuff like that. She be having like holiday sales. So she just had a New Year's sale. She had a holiday sale. She had a Valentine's Day sale, which today's Valentine's Day and Valentine's Day is over. So you could add her IG and check out her next sale. She's probably gonna have a back to school sale. She's about to have a prom giveaway actually. So y'all gotta add her on IG so you can get all the updates and stuff like that. You don't want to be like them girls with the stiff, especially with the stiffs. So go get this here so you could be swaying and laying. But anyway, that's the end of my video. So if you like this video, don't forget to click a like, and I'm gonna check y'all might like this video.